Hi everybody, welcome to Sewed On Twisted. I am doing a very quick flip through of the new commission journal so far, which as you can see at the moment I've got the spine dangle on, I've got the cover, the leather on the cover, but that's about it so far as the cover goes. But I know that you guys do like to have a little nose at the journals while they're in progress, which is fine, and I'm sure that my lovely customer James would like a nice little sneak preview as well. So what I've done, what I often do, as you guys know, is I will fill it with things I make and then I go and I decorate them later. So there's a lot of stuff that doesn't really have anything by way of decoration on it, just things in place. So obviously just bear that in mind. So what I've got going on is like things like this I haven't finished yet, you know. I need to ink the edges of things, I need to punch holes in things, I need to further decorate things, you know. But these are just, as I say, bits and pieces in place at the moment. I've tried to kind of make as many pockets and like sort of tucks and stuff as I could to begin with, you know. I'm going to put something behind that as well to make it kind of lift out a little bit more. You know, we have pockets, and we have just little cluster things that I've made. That's pockets as well. Another little one in the front of there. Where are we? Lots of writing space. Some of you may remember I did the tutorial on this one. Again, I need to just do a little bit of refining of that before it's completely finished, but it's at least in there doing what it needs to do. And somehow bits of card are as well. So yeah, so that's fun. We have, let's say, more pockets, more little bits and pieces. So I'm just doing this one really quickly, because realistically there's not a massive amount to show, you know, sort of yet kind of thing. This, I was quite chuffed with this one though, have to admit. Again, I need to finish the decoration, but I came up with a new little closure idea, and I was really chuffed with the way that went. So these are all top opening pockets. So yeah, you know, that was an evening of I wonder into oh yeah, that works. I have to kind of wear it in a little bit like you have to do with some closures. They're a little bit stiff till they've been used a few times. But no doubt they will be used a few times before they get where they are going. Again, just little pockets and stuff like that. And more, yep, side opening pockets. Just a little, where are we? Oh my god. For some reason, my fingers do not want to work. Just a little opening pocket thing going on there. Obviously, nice little pockets there. These are just little flaps and pockets going on. That should be another little tuck spot on the go there. This one, I can't remember if I've done a tutorial for this one or if I just kind of showed this one. Maybe it was on the live actually or something, I don't know. But I'm sure I remember posting or, you know, showing it to people somewhere along the line. Let's just pull that out. So that's just a nice little concertina pocket. I'll do that up afterward. We have a little flip up at the moment. Another pocket on the go there. Oh my life. Yeah, another pocket there. Another pocket there. And that's the Gothic half done. So this one was a Gothic / steampunk flip. So we'll move across to the steampunk half. We've got some more little waterfall notebook going on there. Belly band with little envelopes and pockets on it. I know I was asked to make a tutorial for that. It is coming. I apologise. I've been a bit slow with the list of new tutorials of late, but I have had a lot of other stuff on the go. So again, you know, loaded excuse me, loaded pockets that need to be finished decorating and stuffed. Little concealed paper clip on the go there, which I will obviously be making more concealed paper clips, you know. A little hinge pocket situation going on there. Another pocket with a little notebook stuck in it at present. Yeah, pockets, gotta love some pockets. That's yeah, one of those pockets there. Loaded pocket, tuck spot pocket thing. Oh, I can never remember which one's a double, which one's a single. I'm absolutely rubbish. But yeah, just a nice little thing going on there. Some of this is my actual paper designs as well in this one. And I will be using more of my own steampunk kit in this one as well as I go through it. Another little concealed paper clip with a pocket on the front there. What else do we have? What else do we have? I think I've got more in the Gothic side of it so far than I do in the steampunk side. But obviously, as you guys know, they will fill up relatively quickly. I've got a nice little notebook there with a little removable notebook as well. A little envelope on the go there. A little closure. Oops, we'll get there. More pockets. More things in pockets. A little flop down journal spot. Yeah, I think this one is mostly going to be just the pages. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got more stuff going on in the Gothic side, but it's getting there, you know, it's coming together quite nicely. I'm quite happy with how it's all faring so far. So there you go, there's a little sneaky peek at it so far, and there'll be another one once I've got some more work done on it. So enjoy, happy crafting.